Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Kia. Today I want to show you guys a really good concealer that really like covers all these little dark spots. So I use the Maybelline 4-in-1 corrector, and I'm going to show you guys real quick like the magic in this. So I usually take a little amount and I just put it on my hands and then I just pat it. I'm gonna put some more. And you see the difference. Oh yes, that looks so much better. It looks so much better. So this is a good, affordable drugstore concealer. It's like a 4-in-1 corrector, but it works really well with my skin tone. And I don't even need to mix it with any other shades. I used to, but then I realized I don't have to, especially since it's summer and I'm gonna get darker. So I'm excited about that. But y'all can see a very stark difference in how it looks. Let me focus it. And this is what's given. This is what's given. So if you have those dark spots, use the Maybelline. Maybelline needs to sponsor me. I just put y'all on. Okay, the 4-in-1 glow makeup. Okay, and this is the shade 04, the deep one that works on my skin tone, anyone that's in my skin tone. And yeah, bye. And subscribe for more makeup tips and tricks on Kia. Bye.